Chief CHIWETALU AGU bụ nwafọ Igbo kara aka bụ onye mama n'ihe gbasara ejije maka na nwa amadi a ya bụ Ichie Ogu so na ndị mbụ na mbụ bidoro ihe a na-akpọ ejije na Nigeria. Na nso nso a ka ndị mmadụ bidoro kọba asịrị a na-ebu na CHIWETALU AGU anwụọna. Ọkwa nke a mere na Kpakpando zoniri ije wee chọba ya wee jebe n'obi ya kpọmkwam. N'ebe a ka anyị nọ wee fụ ya na ndụ o wee kọrọ anyị na asịrị ndị ilo na-agba nakwa ihe a na-akọ n'ọbụ isi a ka a ga-eji bụrụ na ya nọ ndụ na-enweghị ihe mere ya. Ọ sịrị o na ọ bụ ndị ilo ya na-akọgheri mana nke onye mechara na ọ ga-eji isi ya wee bụrụ. Ọ kọrọ akụkọ dị iche iche kọọ iji ụwa ya na ka o si eme ejije ya n'ụzọ pụrụ iche na ebe o si enweta amamihe na ike o ji eme ihe niile ọ na-eme n'ejije. Ọ kọrọ anyị akụkọ dị iche iche o. Lekwanụ Ichie Ogu, Chief CHIWETALU AGU.
Viewers from all over the world, we are here with CHIWETALU AGU, Ichie Ogu, a man who has paid his dues, a man who has literally flown to the sky, harvested grasses from the angels, and have come back to show us. A man who has played as many movies as you will soon know. A man who has been transgenerational in his influence. Today we are most privileged to bring to you Ichie Ogu in a live conversation to tell us how it has been, particularly with regards to the recent rumor making the rounds that he has passed on. Now you will know whether we are with a spirit or whether we are with CHIWETALU AGU, Ichie Ogu.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
And my name is Workshop Amechi, and my colleague here is
thank you. You're welcome. Now. I am okay. I'm okay. Right. Bouncing like a new bouncing baby boy.
Always bouncing.
I'm a male, so bouncing baby boy.
Okay.
Thank you.
How do you feel the day you woke up and maybe saw in the social media or somebody called you to tell you that they said that you have died? Not like died in the movie, because I know you must have died so many times in the movie before. But now they are saying that you have died real death. But here, how did you feel?
Many could call it a very shocking news, but to me, it's one of those dues you have to pay being an international celebrity. What we had was that he was sick, all of a sudden he left on. But early last year, I had a more terrible situation, though I was able to nip it in the bud. And that early last year, I saw RIP for me in the social media. This one is a verbal gossip that he is dead. But that last year was a RIP in the social media. And I was able to trace the originator. Me and my relations abroad, we dealt with him. He was somebody who joined us in Lagos, because this my journey.
You actually knew the person that started it all?
No, that of last year.
Okay.
Not talking about this year. You see, I took off in this journey in 1981 between NTA and former Anambra Television when they was doing Enugu State. So, passing through things fall apart, we went to Lagos. And I found out that Lagos was my destiny. Otherwise, the NTA Enugu delegated me after vetting my script to Lagos, where my script, Soap Opera, The Advocate, will be actualized. So, this man joined us when we were now trying to establish in Lagos, which was, I had conducted audition of A Living in Bondage in 1992, 1993 the movie came out. So in the mid-90s, this man joined us. He couldn't find his feet in acting, so he went into sports.
Oh.
Sports that could have actors, maybe play football with some journalists and so on and so forth. You know, so he now established in this area. At a point, I don't know what came over him. You know, I saw RIP, whether it was out of envy or whatever. I was able to trace him. Even our last born with her husband in America, we all dug into it and we traced him. He was full of apologies. I don't know whether fake or real apologies. So worse thing happened last year than what we witnessed of recent this year. So I am like used to all that. You see, when you are a celebrity, especially of my status, my caliber, you wouldn't be shocked about these things. After all, before it happened, I got to know about those who use envy to want to kill me through spiritual poison. As we go on in this, my parlor, I'll bring out about 7 medicines. They sent one after the other to kill me, but each one went to my body and got. I will show it now. It's an opportunity. I was trying to do a social media thing where they will see these medicines.
Well, we are live.
But now you're here. You're like a first comer or first come, first served. I will serve you all of them.
Privilege for us to
very big, very unprecedented privilege. Okay. You're going to see all of them here. You help me to showcase in the world. What you're showcasing is an evidence that this God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob is forever with me. Oh. And along the line, I will tell you the covenant I took to God that has made him now to keep me always under his umbrella.
Absolutely.
Yes, yes.
All right. But I know that your people love you. When that news was making the round, did you find among your people or your friends or acquaintances anybody who was actually rejoicing that this man is dead?
Nobody can rejoice and come and tell you. No human being can come in your face and say, I'm rejoicing. Even those who might love such a situation will pretend before you that they were having pity for you. This is pure human being. So nobody came to my presence to say I'm rejoicing or to show evidence of rejoice. So all were having pity.
How did you actually feel during the time that the rumor?
No, I've told you that the CHIWETALU, the biggest celebrity on earth, I'll prove it to you how I am the biggest. We got used to the situation before this one happened. I told you last year there was RIP, but there was no noise made about it. But this one made the greatest noise. You know, so even if you do it all over and over again, I won't feel bad because you're doing your job, devil's assignment. I am in the canopy of God, like I said, and nothing will happen to me. Yeah. As far as I'm worshiping this God, where we offend God is when we now fall victim, because through the same means used against me, many have died. Yes. I've joined in the burial of many who died through this process. But those who attacked me, expected me to die, will now ask, what God, what power is he worshipping? Yes.
Now, do you think those who attacked you and wanted you to die, don't you think maybe you could have done something wrong to them?
No, it's just envy. Let me tell, just open your ears. Two groups came against me. One, there was a popular actor who led 6 other unpopular actors. These things were given to us in Revelations because me and my wife, we traversed many places to find out what was going wrong. So this one now was feeling that as long as I was shining and climbing beyond the sky, that the producers will not see him to give him jobs. And I was asking myself, have we ever acted the same thing? No. So he convinced 6 other unpopular actors to go and be sure they eliminated me. I said that they went to the first native doctor in Enugu State. Native doctor or the juju man or whatever you call him said no. Native doctor can still be interpreted as a man who does medicine to save humanity in local way, in herbal way. You know, then there could be dangerous and killing native doctor. You know, the first one said no, my hand no there. Second one said no, my hand no there. Now they felt that any other place they stepped their feet in Enugu State, they might have pre-information about what happened, so they now left the entire Enugu State and traveled to Benin. According to that revelation, they met a woman as double the size of a doll, who is known or who was known in Benin for that devil's work. All she does is take money from you, eliminate. So according to the revelation, she did the work for them, and they wrapped something she threw into whether river or sea or lagoon or whatever.
That's dangerous.
So whatever it was left. Now they expected me to die within a short period. That's one group. The other group was made up of a group of witches, many women. Somebody confessed before an altar. But this person that confessed before an altar, he went there for the purpose of getting the pastor to help her get a husband, because she was now passing the stage of marriage. God, all of a sudden, she didn't follow the prayer. We now started hearing from her that they were 5 who tried to kill me through poison, verbal, no way. They tried to kill me through crossing whatever, that for you to get something like a chair, you know, it didn't work. They now went spiritual. And what we heard from our mouth was that they went far. She mentioned Djibouti, she mentioned northern side like Nupe. She mentioned many places known for deadly attack, spiritual attack that will just kill somebody in a jiffy, you know. Then what did CHIWETALU do to you people? You people. She said they were 5. What did they do to you people? The word she used, because of her low level of education, was enviness instead of envy. Instead of envy. You know, then she mentioned on the spot that one of them had died. And she must have been their leader. Wow. We knew about that death when it happened. Terrible, horrible death. We knew when it happened. The name is what we keep in a way secret.
Don't say the right
because even the children are known to us. And I don't think they knew.
Are you friends?
I don't think they knew that their mother was into this. And you will never know the mother was into this, because in prayer she prays powerfully. She prays powerfully. You know, look at the way she died. She was an event planner who could assemble canopies and all that, chairs. Then at the time, at the end of the program, she was now about to enter her car, but another car blocked her. But many cars surrounded her. Then one will be easy for her to go through. But the owner, a woman, was afraid to drive because she was afraid to hit any car in the process. She now called the attention of a young man to help her out. The young man entered the car, ignited, he hit this woman at her door where she was waiting for her turn. On the spot death.
Instantly.
Yeah. That's the woman the person confessing mentioned had left them, had died and left them. So the translation is that they now remain 4. So these 4 continued to try. You know. Okay. A question was put to her by pastor. Even the pastor told me to ask my own question. So I asked her, okay, how do you? Because at that time I was now having, feelings, negative feelings.
Like pains all over.
Yeah, okay, from the head and heart. Okay, what?
Can you really describe how the attack was? Were you feeling feverish? Were you delirious?
No.
Were you losing consciousness?
No.
What was the attack like?
God did not allow it go at all to that extent. Even the things I was feeling in my heart was not devastating. See, all that period, I never lost energy to do my work, which is acting. And acting, you're acting bad weather and good weather. Sun and all that. It never touched me. Only I was feeling that maybe I was having little pains around the chest. But they said the thing entered me through the head, then went to rest around the chest. That was their own. Now, today, I told you the leader was hit. She died on the spot.
Yeah, an incredibly.
Yeah. Then in the case of the actors, the leader who took orders and they went to the extent of Benin is in stroke now. And I tell you, with my spiritual knowledge, that stroke will not leave him. Whatever medicine you have employed in India, wherever, cannot cure it, except he comes to confess.
He's an actor in Nollywood as well.
Yes, who led 6 others. A popular one that led 6 other unpopular. So
popular actor
that led 6 other unpopular actors. Yeah.
So it's possible that as we are discussing with you now, we could have seen his movies.
Yeah, plenty. Plenty. But that's not the area I am going.
But do you think that that is, you are blocking him?
I have told you severally. Let me repeat again that CHIWETALU's rise to beyond the sky is what is causing their envy. Envy is the only offense
you committed.
Because I can't say commit.
You didn't commit, yes.
But they mentioned it.
Just doing your job.
It was mentioned in a confession that because I told you that a pastor asked me to ask, what did I do? Enviness was mentioned, which is envy. You understand?
You put it that way.
Because he did nothing.
Yeah.
As long as CHIWETALU and God are concerned, instead of making trouble to you, I absorb the trouble you are making to me. Because as a child of God,
it rebounds and goes back.
Yeah.
I will never make trouble. I'll tell you about my deeds that shows CHIWETALU is a true child of God. I have no time, no business with making trouble with people to attract what is it, fight back from them. I don't do it. I'm from a background that is so good people should emulate. Do you understand?